Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2022 Dauntless. What a great little boat this is. They pack a lot of it into the 22 feet. It's powered by the Mercury, 250 horsepower. This boat flies. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 22 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat. I had already mentioned the new Merc, 250 horsepower. Beautiful motor, very quiet, very little vibration on it, and it's very, very fast. So great power on the back of the boat. You've got the flip-up seats on the back, so you've got two very comfortable seats. And if you are fishing, you can lower them both down. And now you've got a great platform for fishing off the back of the boat. Power pole right there, which is perfect for inside fishing. And storage, drawers, trash all in here. And then as we move to the helm, it's actually set up pretty nicely. You've got two Raymarine, so you've got the twin screens. You've got the SmartCraft, Fusion Stereo, and the Raymarine VHF with trim tab. So for a 22-foot boat, it's loaded up pretty good. And then as we move to the head, so it's actually not bad. So it's a little bit of room down there. So if you need it, it's a pump. It's not a pump out, so it's a porta potty, but it still does the job for you. We move to the bow. Very comfortable sun pad. So two adults very comfortably here with armrests on it. But the neat thing is storage. So very deep storage. You can put a lot of stuff in here. It's got covers for the helm seat. So you've got covers for the cushions. You've got areas you can hold 5 fishing rods in there, which is great. And you can also lock it up as well. And here is your table to go right here. So if you just want to sit and hang out, not fishing, put the table right in here. You can hang around here, which is nice. You've got fish box underneath. You've got rod holders here, and then you've got a place for a trolling motor. You've got the outlets up there all ready to plug and play, and then nice sun pad on it. And it's just a great. The T-top is really, really nice on this boat. It's just a great all-around boat. You can go out. You can take it out offshore. But it can also make it in with the shallow draft. It can also do a very good job on the inside. So if you have any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.